Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Turo promo codes in 2025. So in order to find that, you just have to open your web browser and search for coupons.com. So this is one of the best websites that I found online where you can find different types of coupon codes and deals. As you can see that you need to simply search for Turo in the search bar and you will see all of the valid Turo promo codes as of January 2025. To be specific, 23 coupon codes and deals are available here. So you need to simply take a look at these coupon codes and deals and select which one you want to avail. So let's say I want to get this code that is $100 off. So you need to simply click on that, and before using this code, make sure that you read the terms and conditions. It will show you how you need to just proceed in order to get the best of out of this promo code. After copying this code from here, you need to come to Turo, and at the time of checkout you just have to simply use this promo code and you can get it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.